Hey everybody, Josh here with Carl's Mower and Saw. I'm here with the Gravely ProTurn EV. You saw me unbox this the other day and I did a little bit of mowing, but I took it home for the weekend. I'm not going to do a whole lot. I don't have a lot of grass to mow, but I've got some shorter stuff. This is a field, it's pretty rough. I got some shorter stuff and some taller stuff down below. I'm going to set the height of cut at 2¼ inches. So that's getting down a ways. If I don't feel that's taking off enough, I'll drop it even lower. So some of the things that I want to point out about this machine, one is it's the traditional Gravely quality that we're used to. This frame is commonly used on many of their product lines. The large front wheels with the big huge bearings. Something that people miss is they see the size of the front wheels, but they don't necessarily look at the size of the bearing. So hey, when you're looking at mowers, take a look at the size of this front wheel bearing. It's something that gets overlooked. So we've got the frame that we're used to seeing. We've got the nice plush suspension seat, the standard Gravely drive levers. A couple things to point out on these. These are fully adjustable. I shouldn't say fully. They've got a lot of range of adjustment, so I can go up and down with these levers. I also have the ability to flip them around, so instead of sticking away from my belly, they'd stick in towards my belly. I can change the height of just really this part by turning this bushing right here. So a lot of adjustment on the sticks to make it fit you, the operator, to keep you comfortable. It's got the roll bar, we've got the safety, we've got huge rear wheels. This is a 60-inch rear discharge deck. It uses the same deck construction as Gravely uses throughout their commercial line of mowers. But instead of being driven off of a belt, we have 3 independent blade motors. This is electric, right? We talked about that. It has 4 lithium-ion batteries. They're removable and replaceable. I can charge them either in the unit or out of the unit. You're going to look to get 6 acres of mowing plus, I think they might say 12, I don't know. Don't quote me fully on the specs, I'm sure I'll hear about it, but you can get a lot of work done on a set of batteries. This is designed for a commercial application. I really see this complementing the municipal application where I'm in a high density area where noise is an issue, so that's pretty sweet. This thing is quiet, right? It's clean, that's a benefit, and maintenance is going to be reduced on that. So we've got 3 independent blade motors. The technology that's built into them that allows them to hit items and not damage the motor. There's a blade slip clutch. That's a good thing. That's going to save us some money, some wear and tear down the road. The wheel motors on this are proprietary to Gravely. They are smooth. They nearly feel exactly like a hydrostatic transmission on a gasoline powered machine. And the power this thing has is going to be equal to or better than what we're seeing out of its gas counterparts. So without too much more rambling and talking about stuff, let me hop on this machine, sit on the seat. Okay, reminder, roll bar up. That means seat belt on. If the roll bar were down, I'd have the seat belt off. So to start this up, I have to have the brake on, and then I'm going to turn the key. I'm going to wait here for a beep while it kind of starts up. Okay. Yeah, there you go. You heard that double beep. I can take the brake off and I'm ready to go. I can go forward. I can go reverse. Let me flip these down so you can see how it works. I can zero turn just like normal. My height of cut, remember I said I was set to 2¼ I'm going to adjust that or lower it by pushing here, then clicking there, and the deck height will drop. And to turn the blades on, all right, so we got blades on. I might lose audio. I'm on a microphone here, and I'm gonna mow away from the camera, so my guess is I'll lose audio. We'll see how much this screws up my video, but here we go, down the hill. All right, I can see that I'm getting into a little bit heavier grass. This is a pretty road here, so you can definitely feel it. You can see I'm taking off a fair amount of grass. It's cutting it pretty low. It's having no problem, man. And it's quiet. This is beautiful.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, so here it is, the Gravely Pro-Turn EV. We've talked about the wheels, we've talked about the blade motors, talked about the seat and the adjustments. Let's just get a good walk around here. Nice clean lines on this thing, good visibility. Look at those deck hangers right there. This is stout. This is not, you know, a cheap machine. This is a full commercial machine. I'm going to flip the hood here. Okay, there's where the batteries are, and we've talked about how those are 4 independent batteries that each pull out and can be thrown on an external charger, or they can be charged on board. The charging port plugs in right here. And plug it in to charge it. I can see myself ending up with 2 sets of batteries. Hey, let's take a little walk and see how this thing did on mowing. So again, this is a field that I mow a couple times a year. And it is straight up a field. And I started out, I was mowing at 2 1/4 inches with a 60-inch battery-powered Gravely Pro-Turn EV. And you can see it cut it down, I'd say fairly good. And this is pretty heavy grass that I was cutting here. And this isn't light stuff for Washington State, and it's wet. It's been raining this morning. So there's the Gravely Pro-Turn EV. Kind of first impressions, first thoughts of it mowing. I look forward to getting out and mowing with it a little bit more here in the future. But I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to kind of see it firsthand from Carl's Mower and Saw in Ferndale, Washington. We've been selling Gravely for years. We've been a dealer of theirs since 1990. We love this brand. We love this company. We love what they do to keep innovating and making high quality commercial products. If you like what you saw on my video today, please like, subscribe, comment on our YouTube channel. We'd love to keep getting better on our videos and keep teaching you and showing you what's cool and what's new in the mower world.